This video is going to show you how to check your email online from any computer and any web browser, how to change your email password and set up autoresponders and things like that. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your web browser and type in your web address, which is for Parish Web Assistant. This is how it's going to look. A couple of key things to look at is it's not just HTTP, you have to add an S on there. That means that you're going into a secure area. And then no www, just your web address.com colon and then 2096, and that number will be the same for every website. So you enter that and then a login screen will pop up, and this is just where you'll put your email information, so your username for your email and your password. And then here is the main screen that you'll find. The first three things you'll see are these are the three different ways you can read your email. It's kind of like a Yahoo, Hotmail. They're just different programs that you can use to read your email, and you can play with the three of them, find which one is your favorite, and then you could click Enable Auto Load, and this will pop up and put a time in there that you won't have to select one of the three anymore. It'll automatically load it. You want to keep that probably at least 5 seconds, so then you can always have access to these before it automatically loads to your email. So, and here's where you'll do your smaller things that you may not do so often, such as change your password. Very simple. Since you're in here, they know that you already know your old password, so you just put in a new password. You can have it generate a password for you that's very strong. So here's a password that you could use, and it uses all these different things. Obviously it's kind of confusing and you wouldn't want to use it, but that's there for you to use. And it'll actually tell you how strong your password is. So if you were just to type in a 3-letter word, it wouldn't be very weak, but if you start adding numbers and signs and things like that, it gets stronger and stronger, and the longer it is, it gets stronger and stronger. So you put in that twice and you click change and it'll save it for you. Your forwarding options, very simple. You can click and add forwarder. One thing you need to know about this is since you have an email account set up, it will send it to both spots. So if you're forwarding it to like a Hotmail account, it'll put a copy on here, and it'll also send a copy to your Hotmail account, and you'll have to delete it from both those spots. We can set up a forwarding account that actually doesn't even set up an email account, but it just automatically sends it to like a Hotmail account for you, and then you would access it through your Hotmail account, and it would never actually send an email to your domain like it is here. And then they do have some tutorials here for you if you want more information than what I'm giving you. The autoresponder, this is if you were maybe to be out of the office, or if you just like having them receive an email right when they send you an email saying you've received it. You can set that up, and here you just put in what the email is going to say, probably your name, subject, out of the office, and then a message that might tell them when you'll be back or when they should expect a response. Then here's the information I put on the post before about configuring the mail client. That's if you want to use it through Outlook and things like that. When you set it up through Outlook, you want to set it up so it does delete the copy on the server when you delete it from Outlook, so you don't have to do more work than needed. And the last one is email filtering. We'll do another video on this another time. This is the way you can actually set up how you receive your emails. If a certain person or a certain subject is sending you an email, it can automatically put it in folders and things like that for you. And then this is where you would set that up. But we'll put a video about that another time.